देखो, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स बाहर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आप ये आसान ट्रिक अगर आप सीखोगे। Hello, this is your friend Avin. In this video, I'm going to explain you how to write electronic configuration. चलिए, electronic configuration क्या होता है? Electronic configuration of atoms or elements, how to write, we are going to learn in this video. इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन अगर हम जानते हैं तो ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री के रिएक्शंस लिख सकते हैं, रिएक्शंस और इक्वेशंस आसानी से बैलेंस कर सकते हैं। जेईई और नीट में आने वाले क्वेश्चंस जैसे कि द करेक्ट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन ऑफ द एलिमेंट, ऐसे एमसीक्यूज आप आसानी से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। नाउ in this video, I will give you one solid trick so that you will be able to write electronic configurations of elements. Here we go. What is the electronic configuration? The distribution of electrons in different subshells is known as electronic configuration. I repeat, the distribution of electrons in different subshells is known as electronic configuration. जैसे कि कार्बन का एटॉमिक नंबर 6 है, कार्बन के 6 इलेक्ट्रॉन किस तरह सबशेल में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होते हैं वो कार्बन का इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन कहलाता है। इफ वी टेक एग्जांपल ऑफ जिंक, जिंक हैज 30 electrons and how these 30 electrons are distributed in different subshell is the electronic configuration of zinc. As we know, the atom consists of central part, nucleus, and electrons revolve around the nucleus in different orbits. This is the first orbit and this is second orbit, this is third orbit and this is fourth orbit and so on. देखो, ऑर्बिट को घर मान लो, घर के अंदर रूम्स होते हैं। कुछ इसी तरह ऑर्बिट, फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट में एक ऑर्बिटल होता है, सेकेंड ऑर्बिट में 2 ऑर्बिटल्स होते हैं, थर्ड ऑर्बिट में 3 ऑर्बिटल्स होते हैं, फोर्थ ऑर्बिट में 4 ऑर्बिटल्स होते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑर्बिट हैज 1 ऑर्बिटल, इट्स नेम इज s ऑर्बिटल। सेकेंड ऑर्बिट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 2 ऑर्बिटल्स, देयर नेम्स आर s and p। थर्ड ऑर्बिट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 3 ऑर्बिटल्स, their names are S, P, D, and fourth orbit, it consists of 4 orbitals, their names are S, P, D, F. देखो, हम ऑर्बिट को शेल भी कहते हैं, फर्स्ट शेल, सेकेंड शेल, थर्ड शेल एंड फोर्थ शेल। जिस तरह ऑर्बिट ऑर्बिटल से बना होता है, कुछ उसी तरह अगर हम ऑर्बिट को शेल कहते हैं तो शेल इज मेड अप ऑफ सब शेल्स। The first shell, it is made up of only one subshell, its name is S. Second shell is made up of 2 subshells, S and P. Third shell is made up of 3 subshells, S, P, D. And fourth shell is made up of 4 subshells. Their names are S, P, D and F respectively. And each shell has a definite capacity. S subshell, its capacity is 2 and P subshell has its capacity is 6 and D subshell its capacity is 10 and F subshell has capacity 14. I repeat, the capacity of S subshell is 2. In order to get the capacity of P subshell, you have to increase by 4. In order to get the capacity of P subshell, you have to increase by 4. 2 plus 4 means it is 6. Again increase by 4, the capacity of D subshell is 10. Again increase by 4, you will get the capacity of F subshell, that is 14. So, S can accommodate 2 electrons, P subshell can accommodate maximum 6 electrons और D subshell की capacity होती है 10 electrons और F subshell में maximum 14 electrons आ सकते हैं। Now the trick to write the electronic configuration is we have to start from S, then we have to take PS, then we have to take DPS, then we have to take FDPS. The trick is now we have to write S subshell 2 times. Yes. Then we have to write PS 2 times. PS. Then we have to write third DPS. This is 2 times. DPS. Then we have to write FDPS. 2 times. FDPS. We know that S is first subshell, so number it 1, below 2, 3, 4. And the next S subshell, let us count and we write the number. This is 1S, this is second S, 3S, 4S, again here 1 is there, 5S, 6S, and this 7S, and it is 8S. Now, after 2P, number it, after 2, 3 will come, 3P, then this is 4P, this is 5P, and this is 6P, and this is 7P. Next, 3D, after 3D, this is 4D, and this is 5D, and this is 6D. And F subshell 4F, after 4F, the next will be 5F. In this way, distribution of electrons take place according to this sequence. First, electrons goes to 1s subshell, then 2s, then 2p, then 3s, 3p, 4s, then 3d, 4p, 5s, 4d, so on. Now, let us take one example, that is carbon. Atomic number of carbon is 6. That means there are 6 electrons present in the carbon atom. Now we will write the electronic configuration of carbon atom. That means we are going to distribute these 6 electrons according to this sequence. 1, yes, S has capacity to 2 electrons goes to 1s subshell. Then remaining electrons, they come to 2s. The capacity of S subshell is again 2. Therefore, 2 electron goes to 2s subshell, and we have 6 electron. Remaining 2 electrons, they come to second p orbital. 2 electrons, they enter into second p orbital. Total number of electrons are 2 plus 2 plus 2, that is 6. This is the electronic configuration of carbon. Now let us take electronic configuration of sodium. Atomic number is 11. So distribution of these electron starting from 1s, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6. The maximum capacity of p subshell is 6. 2 plus 2 plus 6, that is 10. Remaining 1 electron, it comes into 3s1. If you observe, in carbon, the last electron is present in p subshell. Therefore, carbon belongs to p block element. And if you observe the last electron of the sodium, that is present in S subshell, therefore sodium belongs to S block element. Now let us take one more example, that is the electronic configuration of zinc. Atomic number is 30. We will write the electronic configuration of zinc, that is 1s2. Next electron goes to 2s, that is 2s2. Next 6 electron goes to 2p, that is 2p6. Then 3s2, then 3p6, then 4s2. See how many electrons we have taken? 2 plus 2 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 18, 20. Then the remaining 10 electrons, they enter into 3d subshell, that is 3d10. Total 30 electrons. 2 plus 2 plus 6, 10. 2 plus 6 plus 2, 10, that is 20. 20 plus 10, 30. This is the electronic configuration of zinc. In this way, we can write the electronic configuration of any element very easily if you know the trick, that is S, P, D, F. First we have to write S 2 times, then we have to write PS 2 times, then we have to write DPS 2 times, and finally we have to write FDPS 2 times. If we write in this manner and if we distribute the electrons according to this sequence, we can write the electronic configuration of any element. देखो, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन ऑफ एलिमेंट्स बाहर करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. इंस्टेड ऑफ दैट आप ये आसान ट्रिक अगर आप सीखोगे तो आप आसानी से इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कन्फिगरेशन ऑफ एनी एलिमेंट लिख सकते हो और कोई भी रिएक्शन ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री या इनऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का रिएक्शन आसानी से लिख सकते हो. आई होप यू हैव एंजॉयड दिस वीडियो. दिस इज योर फ्रेंड Avin. आई एम थैंकफुल टू YouTube and millions of YouTube viewers.